So this is how you can get super high scores in Block Blast. It is a very easy tutorial, so now I'm going to teach you how to do it. Open up your Block Blast and wait for it to load, and once we're here, you're just going to want to keep on placing blocks and make sure that you get a solve within these three blocks right here. So as you can see, every time you place all of your blocks, three new blocks will come out. Make sure within those three blocks, you make a single solve. By solve, I mean getting a line, at least a single line. So what we're gonna want to do is do this first. Make sure we get three solves in a row, and then we're going to get that pink heart under our score. That pink heart basically means that you've gotten a solve within three tries. So you're gonna want to keep getting these solves no matter if it looks ugly. Like as you can see, it's not it like it looks out of place. You're not gonna have to care because what you're gonna want to look for is the multiplier. That heart is basically a multiplier where you're going to have to basically just keep placing and keep solving until you get more multipliers. So I'm gonna put these here, and there you go. I put more and solving and solving. It's pretty much the same process every time. All you have to do is just solve without dying or without having to miss three blocks, which I'm gonna try to show you. Hold on, it might be a bit later because it is hard to try to miss these. Now, unfortunately, I can't place anymore, but you get the concept basically. You're gonna want to make sure that you make a solve every time you get these three blocks. And then your multiplier will keep going up and up, and you'll get more scores. That is proven by my highest score, which is 64,000. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.